Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make trend line chart in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to make the trend line chart. At first, select some data. Click and drag on your mouse. Then go to the insert menu. Now I am select the recommended chart drop down menu, and we can see here many chart we recommended. Now I am select the all chart option. Go to the line section. Now I am select the chart and click OK. Then select the chart and go to the chart design menu. Now I am click the add element option. We can see here many element. You can add the error bar of the chart. Otherwise you can change the grid line of the chart. You can add the legend or the line or the trend line. Now I am select the trend line option. We can see here the trend line of the chart. You can add the trend line another. Now I am select the trend line and added the trend line, the series one. Now we can see we make trend line chart in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.